Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2020 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen, as you can see, you've got media here, com there, home, map. If we go to com, you'll see mobile devices there, telephone and mobile devices. So onto mobile devices, select mobile devices, and you see Barry's iPhone 12 Pro there. That's the one I want to delete. Click on that, and it brings up a new screen, connect device or delete device. The device obviously is not connected at the moment. You've also got connection mode, Apple CarPlay. Go back up, it's trying to connect with Apple CarPlay. Go back up to delete devices, and that's it gone.